progress here. Wasn't planning on getting in front of the camera, but I just saw on my feed that Melanie Ham had passed away from, she lost her battle with cancer, which I just seen like 2 days ago. I came up on my feed when she was talking about that she was going to go back in for surgery. But when I went back to go check the date, it apparently was from last August. So that's, for us that are in the crochet community, it's very sad. And she has tons and tons of videos. We made up a bunch of these granny squares like the way she did them. And so I think I'm going to put this together and make a pillow for a tribute for her. And we're about to do this. We're about to do a tutorial for this. And I think we'll do it in memory of her. So nothing more fitting than a heart. But I just wanted to let you know, in case you did not know, that it's definitely a sad day. And she'll be greatly missed. She was very helpful to me in the early day for sure. So I'm going to get ready and we will pause for a little bit, get it together, and then get this tutorial going. All right, we'll see you here soon.